Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are trying to I'm trying to explain you how Heartline is responsible for our love life or married life or relationship life. Heartline plays an important role. How? I'm trying to explain you in this video. We will take a reference of one subscriber's hand, which you have sent me on my mail, right? We are trying to take that example as a reference, and then I'll try to explain you if this line becomes shorter or if this line bends towards Saturn or if it bends towards Jupiter, how it impacts or how it give you how it give an impact to our love life or marriage life. First of all, I'm sorry about my English because this is not my language. I'm trying to explain you in English as I know, right? So if you think my English is bad, and so you can, I don't know what to do. So I'll try to explain you as per my English, right? So let's start the video. First of all, we are not trying to explain you about the marriage lines or relationship lines or love lines which you can find over there. These lines are common. I have already made the videos on that, and I'll try to explain in future also. Today, we will talk about only heartline. Although heartline is not the reason of majorly reason of is not the only reason of our fluctuations in love life or married life, but yes, this can be the main reason because it shows what kind of person we are as an emotional concern. Are we selfish, or are we unstable in emotions, or are we and are we want a ideal relationship, or what kind of person we are? I'm an ideal person, or I'm a selfish person, or I'm an analytical person who takes or who carries emotions and logic in a same boat. You understand? It means that you are emotionally and logically balanced person. What kind of person you are, right? Look at the picture. First of all, this is a hand of a person. This hand, the quality of the hand, the quality of the skin, it shows that this person is from uh, a labor class person, right? We can say a middle class, a lower middle class person, right? So that you will be able to understand what I'm trying to say. Look at the heartline. The heartline is thick, dark, and it is not matching up with the color of the hand. If you can see color of the hand, you can simply see his heartline and the other lines also. But simply heartline is visible. It is broad, thick. It means that emotionally this person is quite unstable, or we can say that he feels or like he gets emotional easily. This line has, if you can see that the starting lines which are moving towards the mercury finger, below the mercury finger, if you can see the upward lines, it shows that yes, he has got some kind of romantic nature, some flirtious nature. Yes, it shows, right? So this kind of feelings he has, right? But if you can see a sister line, just below, a light line is attaching towards the heart line, is running towards the heart line on the lower part of the heart line. You can see, and at the age of 25, it is closely attached to the heart line. It shows the leakage of emotions. Somebody is using him emotionally. And as the line attaches with this, it means it is sucking his emotions. So in other words, if I'm unable to explain in this language, what I'm trying to say is it means that this period is emotionally very weak period for him. He is emotionally driven by someone else. So this is an emotionally disturbed area or the age till the age of 35, right? After that, if you can see a small branches dipping downwards, it means that yes, he, although the line is thick, the thick line shows that a person is emotionally trying to control himself. He- It means that he's a strong man. This line shows that you have a strong pipe tube in which the water is flowing. The thickness of the tube is it's very thick, but yes, he has got a very strong attacks emotionally by which this kind of leakage is happening. So it means he has got strong approach, like strong attacks emotionally, right? I'll give you the conclusion that what I'm trying to say, because my video, like, I'm the person who starts from the middle. So in starting, I don't know what to say, but after the middle of the video, I know what to say. Okay, if you can see the line, the line is starting diminishing after Saturn's mount, and it is moving upwards towards the Jupiter mount. Although it's moving towards Jupiter line, the line is very thin. So it means that initially this person, if you can see the hard dark line that ends below the Saturn finger, it means initially this person till the age of 50, he was some kind of selfish person who knows how to use others. But due to some fluctuations, due to some hits, some emotional moments, he is moving towards forgiveness, or an ideal feelings is developing in his mind, in his heart. So now he is moving towards a giving approach. Earlier he used to uh, he used to disturb other people, like what I am getting from you, the benefits he is trying to get. But now this line, as it's moving towards a, Jupiter mount, it shows that now he is trying to manages that. Yes, some, like, I need to give someone else a space. Earlier he is not giving space to anyone, but now he is trying to give the space, and this is the happening as this person is now giving more space to his relations after the age of 45. So earlier, this person is kind of narcissist or a controller or a manageable person who trying to manage his wife emotionally, but now he is moving towards giving space. As the heart line changes or changes the direction, it automatically changes the mind of the person. Suppose if this line ends here below the Saturn long, it means that this person is a kind of selfish person who knows how to get work done from others. He's showing that yes, I am concerned about you, but it's very difficult to understand that whether he is concerned or not. He is not concerned if ends below the Saturn mount. I'm not saying this is the exact reasons, because we need to see some more information regarding the fingers and everything to get this concluded that what I am saying. But yes, what I am saying is 60 to 70% is correct, right? On the basis of just heart line. Now, if this line ends between the Saturn finger and Jupiter finger slightly backward, then in the middle of that, then it means that this person is very analytical. He knows how to, like, it's a kind of passion heartline, who these people are very passionate, who know how to like, they are very analytical. So they take, if you are doing good with me, I'll do good with you. If you're doing bad with me, I'll do bad with you. Just kind of logical and emotional. It's a balance. So it's a good sign for today's world. And if it goes on Jupiter, then we forgive everything. That yes, you win, I lose. This kind of situation. And suppose if this line moves backward towards Saturn finger, to proper Saturn finger, that it means that this person gives you gifts, or it's a kind of dramatic person. It's a kind of extra bold person who knows how to shine, how to dominate, this kind of person. So if this line is yours, then it means we should ask your partner that what kind of person you are. If your partner has this kind of line, then you should understand that you are dominated, kind of dominated. So this line has great references. Although this line, we have discussed about this line, his life, I'll try to show you some more heartlines and we will try to discuss on this topic more. I'll try to make some more videos on this. So if you like the video, if you have any concern, I'm not saying I'm 100% correct. I'm saying I'm 20% correct. If you think this is correct, then you can comment on that. Else we will meet in another video. Till then, thank you very much. Take care of